Intermediate 3.10 Classwork. In this activity, you will learn how to interact with files in Python, a crucial skill for handling and storing data effectively. Here's what you'll be doing. 1. Understanding functions with dictionaries. You will begin by exploring a simple code example that demonstrates how to handle global and local variables in functions that manage dictionaries. You'll analyze how keys and values can be fetched and combined into a dictionary. 2. Opening and closing files. You will learn the importance of opening and closing files correctly in Python, allowing your program to access external data. You will practice using the open function and understand the significance of closing files properly. 3. Working with file objects. You'll discover what a file object is and how it serves as an interface between your code and the data in files. You will explore various methods associated with file objects, depending on whether the file is open for reading, appending, or writing. 4. Reading from files. You will practice reading data from files using different methods, such as reading the entire content, reading all lines, or reading line by line. You'll learn how to iterate through the contents of a file and process the data effectively. 5. Appending and writing to files. You will see how to add new content to existing files or create new files. You will understand the difference between writing and appending, and learn the importance of managing your cursor position while modifying files. 6. Handling errors. You'll gain an awareness of common errors, such as file not found error, and how to prevent them. You will also learn to identify and correct logic errors when working with files. 7. Completing tasks. Throughout the activity, you will perform specific exercises to reinforce your understanding of file operations. These tasks will help you practice reading, storing data in lists, and writing user inputs to files. By the end of this activity, you will have a solid foundation in file handling in Python, enabling you to read, write, and manipulate data effectively. Enjoy your exploration of file interaction.